How to use social links block tutorial in Squarespace. So in order to do that, first you need to head over right here into your actual Squarespace editor and then scroll down to the very bottom. So typically a social links block is added onto the foot right here. So head over to your footer and click on the edit site. Click on this ad block right here and then click onto the search bar and search in here for social links. With this, so let's head over and drag and drop it right here into this part. Now, once your actual social link has been added, you can proceed to edit it. To do that, click on the social link and click onto this edit icon, and then it will show you in here the content. We have in here social links for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. If you want to add another social link, you can click onto this add social link option. And for example, let's input right here our social link for our actual other options. So you can see in here if URL is found. So for example, let's put in here youtube.com and input right here your username. After you have done that, they will be added and then the actual logo will be added in here as well. If you want to edit the actual content, you can proceed to click on this and change the actual URL right here. You can choose to delete the social link or display social icon for that. Now you can also change the design based on this. Can actually have borders like this one. You can have circles, semicircles, and add in here some outlines if you would want. So that's how you use social links block tutorial in Squarespace. Hope we help.